Picture this: a mischievous grin, a long swishing tail, and acrobatic antics that would put Olympic gymnasts to shame. Meet the long-tailed monkey, nature's very own prankster extraordinaire. The long-tailed monkey, scientifically known as Macaca fascicularis, has a fascinating story of evolution and adaptation. These charismatic primates have been swinging through the forests of Southeast Asia for millions of years, gradually developing their distinctive features and behaviors. The journey of the long-tailed monkey began in the dense tropical forests of ancient Asia. As the climate and landscape changed over time, these agile creatures adapted to survive in various environments. Their long tails, which can grow up to be as long as their bodies, became a crucial tool for balance and navigation through the treetops. The development of their intelligence and social structure played a significant role in their survival. Long-tailed monkeys are known for their complex social hierarchies and strong family bonds. These traits allowed them to work together, find food more efficiently, and protect themselves from predators. As they spread across different regions, long-tailed monkeys developed unique characteristics to suit their specific habitats. Some populations living near coastal areas learned to swim and dive for food, showcasing their remarkable adaptability. Their physical features continued to evolve over time. The long-tailed monkey's face became more expressive, with large eyes and flexible facial muscles that allow for a wide range of expressions. This enhanced their ability to communicate within their social groups. The monkey's hands and feet also adapted to their arboreal lifestyle. With opposable thumbs and long, dexterous fingers, they became expert climbers and foragers. Their agility in the trees is truly a sight to behold, as they leap from branch to branch with seemingly effortless grace. One of the most intriguing aspects of the long-tailed monkey's development is their cognitive abilities. These clever primates have been observed using tools, solving puzzles, and even engaging in behaviors that suggest a sense of fairness and empathy. As human populations expanded into their habitats, long-tailed monkeys faced new challenges. Some groups adapted to urban environments, showcasing their resilience and ability to thrive in diverse settings. However, this has also led to conflicts with humans, highlighting the need for conservation efforts. Today, the long-tailed monkey continues to captivate scientists and nature enthusiasts alike. Their journey from ancient forests to modern landscapes is a testament to the power of adaptation and the wonders of evolution. As we study these fascinating creatures, we gain valuable insights into primate behavior, ecology, and the intricate web of life on our planet.